Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add Recycle Bin to File Explorer navigation pane in Windows 11 PC. If you need to access Recycle Bin regularly, you have to minimize all open windows and access Recycle Bin from the desktop, but this is not convenient. In this Gear Up Windows tutorial, we will show you a simple registry fix to add Recycle Bin to the navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 11 so you can access it more conveniently. So first click on this one a start button and then type here res edit, and in the search results click on this one registry editor entry. In case, on the yes button. Once registry editor opens, all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now you will see CLSID key is selected. Right click, select this one key and then right click on it, and here select new option, and after that this one press on key option. Now all you need to copy and paste this one key name from this one video description. I will put all these details in this one video description. After pasting this one key name, just press enter. Now this one key will be highlighted. Again select it, right click on it, and now select here, hover mouse over new, and then choose this one option, debug 32-bit value. Now you need to name this value as system dot is pinned to name a space tree. After that click outside. Now double click on this one newly created res debug, and you need to set here value data 1. After that click on this one OK button. Now close the registry editor and either restart your PC once, or right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here task manager option. Now under this one processes tab, scroll down to the bottom and find this one Windows Explorer process. Now select it, right click on it and choose here restart option. Now close this one task manager window. Now open file explorer and you should see here recycle bin. This one recycle bin, you will find recycle bin under file explorer left navigation pane. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.